Welcome the R channel. Today we how to configure risk assessment tools with RSA. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the RSA application on your device. Log in using your user credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Risk Assessments section in the menu. Click on the Risk Assessment Tools option. You will see an overview of available tools. Select the specific tool you want to configure. Click on the Configuration button for that tool. Review the default settings that appear. Adjust the thresholds based on your organization's requirements. If applicable, enable additional features based on your needs. Fill in any mandatory fields required for proper setup. Check for any optional fields to maximize functionality. Save your changes to apply the new configuration. Run a test assessment to ensure proper functionality. Monitor the results for accuracy and effectiveness. Make further adjustments if necessary based on test results. Document your configuration settings for future reference. Review the configuration periodically to ensure it remains relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.